Axie boundlessness cost truly equivalent to $8.5275 a coin, which sort of is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 8.51858.7267, or so they most certainly thought. The earlier day close, 8.6997 in a huge way. The change generally was 0.1722, 1.98% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, USD to Axie, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $9.05, genuinely greatest 9.68, certainly least 8.42, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $8.52, in every practical sense, greatest 9.12, least 7.92 in a genuinely enormous way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $8.76, sort of greatest 9.37, really least 8.15 amazingly. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $8.30, greatest 8.88, really least 7.72 in an every practical sense, significant way. In multi-week Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $8.66, beautiful most extreme 9.27, least 8.05 in an especially significant way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday. April, 3, cost $8.48, really most extreme 9.07, sort of least 7.89, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $9.43, truly greatest 10.09, for the most part least 8.77, or so they sort of thought. Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $9.64, really greatest 10.31, for the most part least 8.97, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness conjecture on Friday. April, 7, cost $9.06, really most extreme 9.69, truly least 8.43 in a very huge way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $9.54, sort of most extreme 10.21, in every practical sense, least 8.87, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness estimate on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $10.35, in every practical sense, greatest 11.07, genuinely least 9.63, exhibiting that today, S exchange cost range, 8.51858.7267, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $10.06, by and large most extreme 10.76, for the most part least 9.36, which especially is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday. April, 13, cost $10.34, really greatest 11.06, truly least 9.62, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Axie vastness cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $9.59, essentially most extreme 10.26, certainly least 8.92, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday. April, 17, cost $8.77, certainly greatest 9.38, in every practical sense, least 8.16, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $8.49, lovely most extreme 9.08, sort of least 7.90 in a really significant manner. Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $8.61, greatest 9.21, sort of least 8.01 in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday. April, 20, cost $8.59, really greatest 9.19, sort of least 7.99 in an especially large manner. In about a month Axie boundlessness figure on Friday. April, 21, cost $8.21, for the most part greatest 8.78, extremely least 7.64, which certainly is very huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday. April, 24, cost $7.80, most certainly greatest 8.35, fundamentally least 7.25, or so they basically thought. Axie limitlessness estimate on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $7.61, extremely greatest 8.14, lovely least 7.08 in a genuinely significant way. USD to Axie swapping scale equivalent to 0.1173 coins per $1, which basically is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 0.1146-0.1174 in a truly significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.1149 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0024. Plus 2.09%, which generally is genuinely huge. USD to Axie cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which most certainly is very critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Monday. Walk 27 cost 0.110 coins. Kind of most extreme 0.119, least 0.103, or so they really thought. USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 0.117 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.126, genuinely least 0.110. Exhibiting that today. S exchange cost range 8.5185 or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 0.114 coins, especially most extreme 0.123, exceptionally least 0.107, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie forecast on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 0.120 coins, beautiful greatest 0.130, really least 0.113 in a quite huge way. USD to Axie expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 0.118 coins. In every way that really matters, most extreme 0.127, especially least 0.110, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday. April 4 cost 0.106 coins, especially greatest 0.114, fundamentally least 0.099, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday. April 5 cost 0.104 coins, especially greatest 0.111, truly least 0.097 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Thursday. April 6 cost 0.114 coins, for the most part greatest 0.123, truly least 0.107, which basically is very huge. In about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Friday. April 7 cost 0.110 coins, lovely greatest 0.119, genuinely least 0.103, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday. April 10 cost 0.105 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.113, truly least 0.098, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday. April 11 cost 0.097 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.104, lovely least 0.090, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday. April 12 cost 0.099 coins, certainly most extreme 0.107, sort of least 0.093, which fundamentally is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday. April